Hi, I'm Laura, and this is Lalo Yoga and Wellness. Today's practice is a Yoga Nidra practice or yogic sleep. It's a practice that involves taking you into a really deep relaxation while keeping your awareness awake. It's designed to help you really get into a state of deep relaxation that will let you restore balance, release anxiety and tension, and set the tone for your day if you're doing this at the beginning of the day, or maybe even help you drift off to sleep. You might want to get a few things that are going to help you feel nice and comfortable, maybe a bolster or a warm blanket, an eye pillow, anything that's going to help you really get into that state of relaxation that you're looking for, or even drift off into sleep if that is your goal. So grab the things that you need, find a comfortable spot, and let's get started. Find a quiet space where you can lie down comfortably. Use a pillow under your head or knees if needed. Rest your arms by your sides with palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension and allow your body to relax into the surface beneath you. During this practice, you may drift in and out of awareness. That's completely fine. Yoga Nidra works even if you fall asleep. Simply follow my voice and allow yourself to relax deeply. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm golden light gently touching this area. Feel this light moving down to your forehead, softening any tension. Relax your right eye, your left eye, both eyes together. Soften your cheeks, jaw, and throat. Now bring awareness to your right shoulder, upper arm, forearm, hand, and fingers. Moving to your left shoulder, upper arm, forearm, hand, and fingers. Feel this golden light travel down your chest, ribs, and abdomen. Let your breath be soft and natural. Relax your right hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, foot, and toes. Relax your left hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, foot, and toes. Feel your entire body enveloped in warmth and ease. Now bring your attention to your breath. Observe each inhale and exhale without changing anything. As you inhale, imagine drawing energy up from the soles of your feet through the crown of your head. As you exhale, feel the energy flow back down from the crown of the head all the way down to your feet. Let this breath cycle continue at your own pace. like gentle waves moving through your body. Begin to imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting, perhaps a meadow filled with vibrant wildflowers or a peaceful forest path. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the softness of the ground beneath you, and the gentle breeze carrying the scent of fresh earth and blooming flowers. You begin walking, hearing the soft rustle of leaves and distant birdsong. Out on the horizon, you see a tranquil body of water, a calm lake, a flowing river, or maybe the vast ocean. You sit by the water's edge, feeling completely at peace. The air is fresh and the atmosphere is soothing. Spend a few moments absorbing this tranquility. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your fingers and toes. Take a deep inhale, stretch your arms overhead, and exhale fully. When you're ready, roll onto one side and rest for a moment before coming up to a seated position. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Slowly open your eyes and carry this sense of relaxation with you as you move forward throughout your day.